Why do so many elderly people lose their appetite? Is it just part of aging, or is there something more serious going on? In this video, we'll break down the science behind appetite loss in older adults, the risks it poses, and the simple, effective ways to bring back a healthy relationship with food. Emotional connection. Imagine your elderly parent or grandparent refusing to eat, pushing the plate away, or saying they're just not hungry. You might think it's not a big deal, but in reality, loss of appetite in seniors can be a silent but dangerous health problem. Poor nutrition in old age doesn't just mean weight loss. It can trigger immune weakness, muscle loss, depression, and even shorten lifespan. Why appetite decreases with age? There are several biological and psychological factors at play. 1. Changes in the sense of taste and smell. As we age, our taste buds and smell receptors become less sensitive. This means food no longer tastes or smells as appealing, which can naturally reduce the desire to eat. 2. Slower digestive system. The gastrointestinal tract slows down with age, making seniors feel full faster. This sensation, called early satiety, can discourage them from eating normal portions. 3. Hormonal changes. Levels of hunger hormones like ghrelin can decrease with age, while satiety hormones like leptin may become more active, leading to reduced hunger signals. 4. Medications. Many common prescriptions for high blood pressure, heart disease, or chronic pain have side effects like nausea, dry mouth, or taste changes. These can make eating unpleasant. 5. Dental problems. Missing teeth, ill-fitting dentures, or gum pain can make chewing difficult, leading to avoidance of solid foods and a general reduction in food intake. 6. Chronic illnesses. Conditions like dementia, Parkinson's disease, depression, or cancer can directly affect appetite regulation. The hidden risks of appetite loss. Ignoring appetite loss in seniors can lead to malnutrition, a lack of essential vitamins, minerals, and calories; muscle wasting, sarcopenia, rapid loss of muscle strength and mobility; weakened immune system, higher risk of infections and slower recovery; bone weakness, increased risk of fractures due to osteoporosis; mental health decline. Malnutrition can worsen depression and cognitive decline. How to identify the problem early? Look for these warning signs: noticeable weight loss over a few weeks or months, clothes becoming looser, fatigue and low energy, irritability or mood changes, food left uneaten during meals. If you see these signs, it's time to take action. Early intervention is key. Solutions to restore appetite in seniors. First of one, enhance flavor and aroma. Since taste and smell sensitivity decrease with age, focus on seasoning food with herbs, spices, and natural flavor boosters. Fresh lemon, rosemary, garlic, or cinnamon can make meals more appetizing. 2. Small, frequent meals. Instead of 3 large meals, offer 5-6 smaller meals throughout the day. This helps prevent overwhelming the digestive system and keeps energy levels stable. 3. Nutrient-dense foods. Every bite should pack maximum nutrition. Examples: Greek yogurt, smoothies, oatmeal with nuts and fruits, scrambled eggs, avocados, or salmon. 4. Address dental issues. Regular dental checkups and properly fitted dentures can make eating more comfortable. Soft, easy-to-chew foods can also help. 5. Check medications. Speak to a doctor about potential side effects. Sometimes, changing the medication schedule or type can improve appetite. 6. Encourage light physical activity. Even gentle exercises like walking or chair yoga can stimulate hunger by boosting metabolism. 7. Social meals. Eating with friends or family can turn meals into a pleasant experience rather than a chore. Studies show seniors eat more when they have company. 8. Hydration. Dehydration can reduce appetite. Encourage drinking water, herbal teas, or soups throughout the day. 9. Professional support. A nutritionist or geriatric specialist can create a personalized meal plan that meets dietary needs while boosting appetite. Emotional and psychological aspects. Loss of appetite is not always purely physical. Loneliness, depression, grief, or anxiety can significantly affect eating habits, Caregivers should watch for emotional changes and consider counseling or support groups if needed. Loss of appetite in elderly people is not something to ignore. By understanding the causes and addressing them early, we can protect our loved ones from the dangerous consequences of malnutrition. Remember, eating well is not just about calories. It's about maintaining strength, independence, and quality of life. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who might need it. And remember, the sooner you act, the better the results. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. You don't want to miss it. Your heart will thank you.